That is 2 pounds of our pecan halves. Two egg whites. Now I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract, about 2 teaspoons. And now we're just gonna get this all frothed up. We are making a delicious treat today. This is perfect for the holidays or any time of year, really. I think y'all are really going to enjoy this. You can do this with any kind of nuts, whatever kind of nuts you like. I just happen to be a huge fan of pecans, but you could do this with almonds or walnuts or really whatever nuts tickle your fancy and make your mouth happy. All right, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna pour our frothed egg white and vanilla mixture all over our pecans. All right, we're gonna give this a good toss, mixing it all around, getting them coated in this delicious egg white mixture that's gonna really help take our nuts to the next level, as you will see shortly. All right, once we've got all of our nuts coated, a little bit wet and damp, we are ready. I'm coming in with my pure cane sugar, and I am gonna grab a cup of this. Perfect. And 3/4 of a cup. That looks good to me, just like that. Now I have got my dark brown sugar, but you can use light if you prefer. That's a full cup. And then we're putting in 3/4 of a cup as well. Same ratios of the dark brown sugar and the white sugar. Now I've got my ground cinnamon, and we wanna put in a whole tablespoon of this, which you can just eyeball, looks good, as well as a teaspoon of our ground nutmeg here. These spices smell amazing. Wow, y'all, this is gonna be delicious. Now I'm gonna do just a little bit, pinch of salt here, about a teaspoon. Yummy. And now we are going to toss all of this together well to combine. I'm just giving kind of these sugars a mixture on top first. Break up these little clumps. Perfect. And now we wanna get all of our nuts well incorporated with these delicious sugars and spices. Y'all, we're making such a delicious, easy treat. I love to make this and give this to my neighbors for the holidays. It's really fun to give as a present to, you know, your pastor at church or special people in your lives, kids, teachers. This is just such a delicious, delicious treat and so easy to make at home. Although, you know what? I did get some when I went to Buc-ee's this summer. They do fresh roasted nuts there too. But you don't have to leave your home to get fresh roasted nuts because you can just make them yourself. Alrighty, I'm setting my lid onto my crock pot here. We are gonna cook this for 3 hours on low. I'm gonna stir it every 20 minutes. Alrighty, it's been 3 hours. We're just gonna place our nuts here onto a baking sheet to let them cool off. And they should cool and rest for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna spread them out. You can put them on multiple baking sheets if you want, but I'm just gonna spread mine into a thin-ish layer here. All right, y'all, you're supposed to let these cool for 30 minutes, but I don't know if I can wait, so I'm gonna taste one. But once you let them cool, you can pack them up to give to family and friends. They're the perfect holiday gift. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. Y'all, you've got to try this.